Good morning, everybody. It is Monday morning and dude, it's already been a Monday. I am putting my makeup on and I sprayed my body spray in my face instead of my toner this morning, and I can't blame it on being blind because I keep my body spray and my toner in two very different spots for this exact purpose. I'm just tired. All right, makeup is done. I think I'm gonna run out and get a bagel because it's Monday morning, and getting a bagel from my favorite bagel place will make me happy while I'm trying to get Monday morning work done. It looks like the sun is coming out for a hot minute, maybe. The rain is slightly clearing up. I'm gonna apologize in advance for how dim the vlog is gonna be. It's really overcast and my house is not very bright to begin with, so it's just gonna be like that. But I think I'm gonna run out while the sun is coming out, grab a bagel, and then get to work. I'll put my list together when I get back, but I know I have to do orders. I have to edit yesterday's vlog or the weekend's vlog. I need to put up a post for my patrons. I need to record the podcast for today because I haven't done that yet. And at some point I need to go to the store. So I think that's my day. A busy day. Busy, busy. We've got the bagel. And now we've got the to-do list. Let's look at it. Record and upload the podcast and post about it to Facebook. Post for my patrons. I need to edit Vlogmas and post that. I need to update my Kanban board for the month. And then I need to pack as many orders as I can and print a bunch of 8.5 by 11s for those orders. I need to check my inbox. I need to fold the towels I washed yesterday. Jesse said that pen, if you were watching the video that went up yesterday or today, tomorrow, fucking whenever the video goes up of the weekend that I got the pen on my shirt, the pen came out apparently. So these Erin Condon markers are washable, at least if you get it in the day that you do it. Kat has rehearsal, so I have to pick them up as soon as that's over. And then we need to get the tree decorated tonight because I didn't get to that this weekend. So that's my list, and I'm going to get started right now with the podcast. I've gotten a few things done so far. It's about 10:40 and I have the podcast recorded and uploaded. I still need to do the Facebook post. I did my Patreon post. I edited my Vlogmas and it is exporting. So I am going to do my Facebook post, then post my video, and then update my Kanban board. But I am ahead of time. I figured I would be done with everything through my Kanban board by 12:30, and I think I'll probably be done with everything by about 11:30, which is good. That'll give me a little bit more time to pack orders. Video is uploading, and this kitty boy is driving Loki up the wall. He's super, whoa, there he goes. Super cuckoo bananas right now. So I think we're gonna lock him up in the bedroom because this situation, he's like fucking with the Christmas presents. He's fucking with Loki. I think you need some quiet time, buddy boy. Do you need quiet time, Lulu? Loki's over there like, fuck, help me, please. Holy shit, you guys. I try to lock Lou in the bedroom, and Loki follows me in there while I'm trying to lock him in. So I pick up Loki to take him out of the bedroom, and Lucy follows me out, and this is repeated like 4 times. Fuck it, Lou, you're just gonna be out here. Loki, you're bringing this on yourself, my kitty. All right, so here is my Kanban board from this last month. As you can see, this was the shop, and everything got done except for an inventory system. It's sort of done, but not really. And everything for like, this is my standard work, like Patreon and YouTube and everything, got done except for my Q1 planning. And then this is the new Skillshare class, which obviously did not get touched. So what I'm gonna do is reset these two for the month of December. And then once December's over, I'm thinking I'm gonna go to quarterly planning instead of monthly. But I've only been using this Kanban board for a few months, and it's just, instead of doing it like in monthly planning style, I've just been doing it project based. And now that the shop is open, I can do just a month. So stuff for the shop for the month, stuff for my content for the month, and then the Skillshare class, which will be a priority this month. So I'm gonna start resetting this right now. So go to my power sheets. For December, I have planned the next shop phase, the Skillshare class, and then my 2020 goal setting. And so that's kind of what I'm gonna start with. I'm just gonna grab a piece of paper and start mapping it out. All right, my Kanban board is set up. The tasks I'm starting on this week that need to get done this week are record the December podcasts, finish the Black Friday orders in the inventory system, and brainstorm my Skillshare class. And those are the things that need to get done this week, along with other stuff, because I'm not quite figured out yet. I don't know. Anyway, now that all that's done, I am going to start working on orders. So I am currently printing 8.5 by 11 prints. All right, my video is live, so I'm keeping an eye on it for comments. I've got all these postcard packs ready to go. I've got a bunch of these, and then I've also got all of these over here drying. These are all 8.5 by 11s. You can see which one is the most popular. Hey, Sunflower, how you doing? But these are all drying, and I am gonna get some lunch, I think, while they dry, and then I will start packing orders. It's about 12:45. All right, I'm gonna run out to the store. I need to pick up some more cheddar. We used some up for eggs this weekend, and I hadn't bought enough for the whole meal plan situation, and I'm making the potato soup tonight, and I need cheddar for that, and I need some bread for that. I like to dip in it. The garlic bread I have isn't gonna work. I'm telling you, this is carbolicious. When it's cold, we go carb crazy. So I'm gonna run to Target, pick up some bread and some cheddar. I feel like there's something else that I hate that. Anyway, maybe I'll remember what it was. But once I'm done with that, I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna have some soup because it's fucking cold. And soup sounds cozy. Back, I figured I'd show you what I got. So some of this is because I think my period's gonna start soon. So I got some chips and some of my favorite current snack, which is Triscuits and Laughing Cow cheese. So that's the Cindy maybe PMSing purchase part of this. I guess this too, but these are just some of my favorite store-bought cookies, the Walker's shortbread. And I was in the Christmas section, and you probably saw me WTFing about a couple of the things I saw, but these guys got me. And the kids don't like these that much, so these will not be inhaled by people who aren't me. And then I got what I went for, bread for the soup, more cheddar, and yes, I'm not grating my own because I'm fucking lazy. And then the thing I couldn't remember was I needed to get Kat some more of their favorite pens. Kat's a lefty, and these are their favorite school pens, the Inkjoy Gel. So I grabbed some more of those for Kat. All right, it's almost 7 and I've been literally packing orders this whole damn time because I realized I may have oversold a couple of prints by just a bit. Thankfully, the people I work with to manufacture them, I can get them really quickly. But like, all of those, I'm gonna have to be doing shipping labels. This is 166, no, it's not true. It's more like 156 orders because there's a handful of them that still need to be ordered. But yeah, look at that though. Holy free holies. I'm not gonna actually make potato soup tonight because it takes too long, so the cheesy pasta is a lot faster, so I'm doing that. And Kat also has had a long day. Do you want to report on the long day?
I've been at school for 12 hours.
Hashtag high school.
I'm in a play.
And it's almost finals week.
It's tech week also. And next week is finals.
I love you, baby.
I'm tired.
Me too. Me too, my dude.
I did end up eating my yogurt with it.
Pork?
Yeah, because I just want to bring food.
You want to just bring one utensil?
I was bringing the Kiki's delivery service utensil set again, but I lost the spoon the first time I used it. So now I haven't used it at all because I'm really sad. I'm like, I really like that set. And then the first time I ever brought it to school, I lost the spoon.
Which set? The yogurt container one?
No, it's a Kiki's delivery service utensil set that Grammy and Papa got me for Christmas a couple years ago. It's really cute. It came with chopsticks and it came with chopsticks and a fork. It was more like a fork and then spoon. And it was like covered in cheese. It was like pink and white. And I really liked it. And I lost a piece. And the way that it worked, it was like this little case.
And everything like fits perfectly.
Everything like fits perfectly in it, and if everything is stacked up, then it won't rattle around in there as much. And now since there's only 2 things in there, like the stack doesn't fit all the way to the lid, so everything is like.
I'm sorry, boo.
Okay, I've showered. I've taken a painkiller. I think I'm gonna take a second painkiller. I was telling Jesse I think I may have finally found the limit that does exist for how much I can get done with just my work ethic and my like willingness to beat myself up. I don't even know. But I have a lot more work to do on these orders tomorrow, but I'm very proud of myself for a lot of work getting done today. I did not finish everything on my list. I did not fold the towels, didn't get to the inbox, and we didn't decorate the tree. But it's cool, man. Shit will get done eventually. And hey, the tree looks festive, even if there's no ornaments on it, sorta. Anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. So let me know how you're doing in the comments. I don't know. I don't even have the energy to ask you a question. Tell me something that happened today in the comments, good or bad. Something that happened today when you're watching this. Check out Michael Myers with the Santa hat too. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.